Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you what you have to do if your video gets stuck in processing HD, or if it says SD processing, or a matter of fact if it's saying or showing anything which is not normal, or anything that you need to report. So it's very simple. What you have to do is click here at the bottom left corner where it says send feedback. It will pop up the screen that would say send feedback, and it would give you an option to either just type whatever issue that you have, or any feedback that you would want YouTube to hear, or if you want to report or show them a screenshot with the issue. What you have to do is click here. If you have to add a screenshot, you have to make sure that it's checked. It would be checked already, so make sure that it's there. Second up, you'll have to click here to add a screenshot. It will ask you to highlight the area that has the problem. Do that. Once done, you'll have to hit done. Type in whatever statement that you have to. Let's say, I would say my video is stuck in processing. Make sure that you see the screenshot. If you see this means that your screenshot has been added already, and then you can hit send. It will say sending feedback. It would take some time for YouTube to process, but trust me, it's that easy. That's all you have to do if something like this happens. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and do hit that bell icon if you want more videos that would help you through your channel content. Have a good one.